In this video, what we're going to do is show you how to find the location of your photos for putting them up online to give people the location of those photos. The easiest way to do that, of course, is if you've got a camera that has GPS attachment to the photos in the EXIF data. A lot of cameras don't have these, phones do, so you will get EXIF data from the phone and GPS locations, but some cameras don't. So this is the way in which you'll do it. The easiest way is to go into Google Maps, and what I've done here is that I've centered the map on Wedderburn, also known as the centre of the universe, and I'm just going to show you how to locate where a photo was taken. So the first thing to do is if you scroll your mouse wheel up to enlarge the screen and give you an idea of whereabouts you were at the time, and you can enlarge the screen as much as you like to make sure that you've got this covered properly. So in this case, the photo that I'm looking at, this is a walking track along here, and I got a photo around about here, in this point here, right? So I can zoom in even closer if I wanted to, if it was a particular thing, and then all I need to do is to right click on my mouse, and you can see there it brings up the grid reference. If I click on the grid reference, you'll see down here that it says that it's been copied to the clipboard. So if I was to go into a text editor or a photo location tool, I can right click and paste, and like it's done there, it has actually pasted it into Google Maps, and I can hit enter there, and it's going to search for that area and put the pin exactly on that point. You can see that it's got the grid references there, and that's as simple as it is to get your grid references for putting photos on sites such as iNaturalist or on Google Photos or into photo editing software if you want to record the location where the photos were taken. I hope that helps you. Cheers.